na kami sa Lancashire. Lancaster.
Lancaster's is down that way.
Oh, Lancaster that way. Sa likod.
But Morecambe is there.
Pinak na namin yung sasakyan namin doon sa car park ng isang pub. The Old School. What's the name of
The Old School Brewery.
the Old School Brewery. So doon kami matutulog ngayong gabi. And of course, yung ating dalawang mga fur babies. Si Peanut may bagong damit. Oh. Okay, so maglalakad muna kami. Titingin-tingin lang kami sa palibot and then balik kami doon sa sasakyan. Still early? It's just only 2 o'clock. Okay, so bye for now. Hello guys, nandito kami sa car park na fourth choice ni David. Gusto maganda. Oh! Oh, wow! Spinning rod. So, tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda. Ayan. Nilalakad ng car park. So, maglalakad muna kami. Ang pangalan dito ay Wharton Crag. I don't know. What's that? Oh, that's like yours. So yan, maglalakad kami dito kami sa footpath na to. Tinitingnan lang ni David kung pwedeng makapasok dito yung no. Kung pwedeng makapasok dito yung van dahil maganda dito magpark. Wild camping dito. That fan is just the same as yours.
Yeah, we'll be able to get it.
Huh?
I think we'll be able to get in.
So baka dito kami matulog.
Certainly worth a try.
So guys, iikot kami and then maglalakad kami. Sabi ni David, pupunta daw kami sa taas ng bato na yon. Parang hindi naman uulan, pero okay lang. Let's go! Yan si Peanut excited. Si Pepper merang maglalakad doon. Tao doon. So, yan. At si David nag-send lang ng message doon sa friend niya. David, hello! First day. Pepper is so excited. First gate.
You're not coming through?
No. Thank you. Ay, so nandito na tayo sa taas, pero hindi pa sa pinakataas. Ang ganda ng view. Oh. Dagat yun. Lake District daw doon banda. Yan. Baka bukas doon kami sa dagat mamamasyal. Yan. Aakyat pa kami. Grabe. Lakad na naman. Hi, nandito na tayo sa tuktok. May mga baka doon. Padaan. So, ayan. Let's have a selfie. With your back. Hoy! She doesn't like this thing. So, yan. Babalik na lang kami. Let's just go back. Huh?
Yeah.
Hala, a train! Look at that. There's a train. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo. This is nice here. Look at that. You stay there. You stay there. I'm gonna take a picture of you too. You stay there. Wow, look at that train. Can I make this bigger? Where's that train going? Lake District. So bababa na lang tayo kasi dito sana kami dadaan kaso may mga baka doon marami, baka kami habulin. But when we disturb them, I don't know what will happen. Ayan, dito na po tayo sa taas. Ayan. Sa tuktok na yata tayo ng bato na nandoon yung car park na pinanggalingan namin. Kasi, oh, yan, yung kabila. Yan. Ang ganda dito. Grabe. Nandito na nga tayo sa taan.
Imagine Nile ground
Yeah.
or Nile outdoor walk. Coming up here and pitching the tent up here.
It's very nice. You can see the motorway.
See the motorway over there.
Right guys, isang oras na yung lakad namin. Hindi namin alam kung saan.
Yeah, we have walked past it. Very far.
Ha?
We have walked past it.
Oh no.
It's alright, just keep going. A few more yards.
So,
Go to the road and turn right.
nadaanan na namin kung saan kami nagpark.
Back
Pero
down to where we
babalik na lang kami kasi nandito na kami malapit. Nakikita ko yung mga bahay. It's going up this. Where are we going? Going up the...
So is it still a shit on?
Hi, nandito na kami. Kumakain kami ng aming brunch. No, brunch. Hapunan. Oh, I can hear the bell. So, si David nag-order ng scampi. What else? I don't know. Just loaded things. Scampi loaded.
Caesar salad.
Caesar salad. At saka ano pa ba yan? Chips. Chips. Ayan. Ayan. Looks nice. So, kakain muna tayo. It's just like this. We don't have a plate. Or is this... Are we sharing?
You just showing.
We don't have a plate. It's just like this. Yeah? Just like this.
Can you give us another plate? Just a flat plate. I've got one of these trays if you like that. That'd be lovely, thank you. Yes, please. Thank you very much, thank you.
Thank you. You can get our plate. This can be takeaway because this is disposable. Kakain mo na kami. Oh my God.
We'd have to walk along that road there. Turn right.
Short walk daw, pero abutin kami isang oras.
No?
Yan. Tapos na kaming kumain, naglalakad kami. Mahirap nito kasi si Pepper. Hindi.
No offense to that.
It's up to you.
Right, we just no, it's not.
So,
We'll just walk back to the pub then.
pabalik kami. Balik na kami doon. Good morning, everyone.
Nearly finished.
Oh, the gas.
Yeah.
Ayan, gising na kami. Kagigising lang namin. David is outside, nagkakape at nagluto siya ng bacon. Almusal kami, yung akin nandito na niluto ni David. So, ayan, may table na kami.
You put a light on if you want, you know.
Just that, it's fine. No? May table na ka, tapos yung dalawa, nandyan. Naglakad na yan sila. Samantala ako, nandito na ako sa loob. Yan ang ating sitwasyon ngayon. So, yan. Nakikita ko yung kusina ng pub nandoon. Nagluluto yung chef natin isama kasi baka magalit. So, yan. Ang loob ng ating, dito kami natulog kagabi. Did you sleep well?
Not really, no.
Is it because?
I couldn't get comfy.
It's because you're normally.
No, it wasn't that.
No?
It was I couldn't get comfy. I don't know why.
Because of the dogs. So, ayan, mag-almusal muna tayo. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye for now.
I think we might try it again with two.
Hi, Oli guys. Paalis na kami. Galing dito sa sa pinarkingan namin kagabi. Titingnan namin yung isang parking area na pwede kaming magstay mamayang gabi. So, let's go. So, yan. Papunta doon sa taas. Malapit lang dito. Magandang ganda dito ang tahimik. Tapos tingnan mo yung view. Ganda. So dito kami naglakad kahapon pagkadating namin. So nandito na kami. Okay, bye for now. And ito po yung pangalan ng car park. Wharton Quarry Car Park. So nandito na yung dito kami magpapark. May mga nakapark na dito. Siguro naglalakad sila.
Right, now we speak English. Go further back so that you can sit. Go and stand on one of those rocks over there
Here.
behind. Go, yeah, stand on one of the rocks so you can hopefully see the top of the van.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go hopefully to the left side of the back block of this street. Alright.
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright.
Keep talking.
It's alright. It's okay. Yeah. 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 Oh, it's plenty of room. There you go. Kasi balak namin mamaya dito kami matulog. Kasi tingnan mo na to. Tapos may lock. Pwede dito maglakad. I'm gonna turn this off now.
Right, okay.
Okay, bye. Tapos may dito, may lagayan ng mga para sa pupo ng aso. Yan, may camper van doon. Ganda yan. Ang dami nang nandito. Naglalakad. Naglakad kami kahapon doon. Pagkadating namin, naglakad kami doon sa taas. So yan. So ito na. Dito kami magpapark mamayang gabi. Okay, bye for now. Yan guys, may nakita si David na basura. May nakita si David na basura doon. Pinulot ni David. So yan. Pinulot ni David, nilagay sa basura. May dalawa doon naglalakad sila. Okay, pupunta tayo sa beach ngayon habang hindi pa umuulan. Sinukat lang namin kung hindi did you what did you put on the thingy on the satellite?
Gibraltar Farm.
So there you are, time check 9:02 a.m. There, look, it's a cargo train. If you can see it.
0.1 miles. Turn right.
City of Lancaster, Salvador. There is a train track there that we're going to go across, I think. Yun, may train truck na active. So yan, pinauna lang ni David yung tatlong masasakyan kasi mabibilis. Drives large as the vehicles. Tatawid tayo dito. Dito yung train kanina nakita natin. There you go. That's nice cottage. Look at this. Oh, that's beautiful. Up and down. Nandun na yung video. There's a close Gibraltar Farm. There's an ice cream as well. That's Jenny Brown's Point. The wolf, it's close. So David is just going to park here.
Okay, my friends. We're loose, warm, in the perfect headspace for this trip. Let's get after it.
Have you got room to get out?
Yes. Yeah, it's fine. So dito na kami, park na. Hello! Nakabalik na kami dito sa van. Pumunta lang kami doon. Tinignan namin yung campsite. Sobrang hangin. So yeah, si David. Titingin pupunta kami sa, where is this again?
We're at Silverdale.
Silverdale.
Not quite at Silverdale, but
Oh, it's somewhere.
we're at Jack Scout. That's where
Yan
we've
yung
been.
dalawa nandoon.
We've been to Jack Scout.
Hindi makita. Nandoon sa ano.
Jenny's Point.
Napagod sila kaya ang aming lakad 2 hours. We have our walk today for 2 hours. Which is good. Yan, exercise. Weekends exercise and holiday walking. Basta. Yan. So, we're going to Silverdale. Titingnan namin. Doon kami magtatanghalian. Time check, it is 11:20. 11:20? No. Yes, 11:20. Okay? So, let's go! Chase. So, we're going to Silverdale. Cyclist. Different. That one have blue.
They're belting round, aren't they?
Cyclist there. So it's Lindith Road.
The shore.
The shore. Shore Road. Silverdale Hotel. Garden entrance.
Twice against them. They eventually lost 3-2 to the defending champions. A Rugby Union's Nations Championship is currently Australia 10, Ireland 12 after 20 minutes in Sydney. Earlier New Zealand held up France to win.
Is it dented?
Yeah, but no, it's not dented, it's scratched though. There's a rock under the grass.
There's no scratch. We are in site village, and look at the cloud. The cloud, and it's very windy.
Into Formula One, but that will be it for the sprint race. We'll return for Grand Prix qualifying later on, but it's been a fantastic start for
Quiet
Mercedes
village.
and Kimi Antonelli. Here on 5 Live, we will send you back.
Legends are well.
Look, we're on the
So let's bring
seaside.
you up to date with what is taking
The
place.
Albion.
SW19.
Oh.
It is day
Look at
6.
that.
Just trying to lock in everybody's going to be part of week 2 at Wimbledon. We will start on court number 2, where we can say hello to Jonathan Overend.
There's
And
another
Jonathan, just
car,
to
David.
fix this looking scoreboard, looks like this has been a good one.
Yes, it has. Not always at the highest
Look at
quality.
this.
Marta Kostyuk against Emma Navarro, but it's certainly turned into
Look at
a
that.
battle between these two seeded players. They've actually met 4 times before, and Navarro
It's a
has
long
won every time previously. And for a long while, it looked like
Bridge. Is it
Marta
close?
Kostyuk, the Ukrainian, was going to come through to a comfortable
train
win.
bridge?
She won the first set
don't know.
6-2, but Navarro struck right at the end of the second set to claim that 6-4.
Well, it's a gift shop.
Every match so far. Yes, good afternoon to you. We also did see Alex de Minaur speaking quietly about his business through the
It's over there. There's something's down there.
To be honest, surprised me.
What is that? Is it?
And has seen his confidence grow with every match in what is already the best Grand Opening game that took
So,
10 minutes to complete. But the most
lakas ng hangin. Oh,
was
makikita niyo sa
Samsonova
flag.
winning the backhand straight at Bushkova on a mid-court pass.
Oh, I think that white car is going to the car park.
Stare from the Czech player to the
It's not free.
who immediately apologised. There's been a bit of tension in the
Welcome to
Well
Ansai.
and truly on the way on the outside courts. The sun has appeared on.
Guys, nakabalik na kami sa bahay. Naglakad kami doon sa promenade. Ansdale Promenade. Yan, grabe ang hangin. And then, pupunta kami ng Morecambe para bibili ng KFC para sa aming hapunan. Okay, let's go! Nandito na tayo sa Morecambe. Daming camper van, no? Do they sleep here?
Yeah.
Camper van or motorhome?
The 2026 Australian Open champion, the winner here at Wimbledon 4 years ago, Elena Rybakina, has been well beaten.
5-6.
Oh, what happened there?
Good deep serve by Świątek, but a deep return by Iala, who's now making life difficult for Świątek, who's chipped that forehand onto the baseline.
Oh my god, there was a blood on the face.
With a forehand, that's brilliant hitting from the defending champion, and it gives her a point to take us into a tie-break.
That was brave, good defensive with that slow. If she starts making that, but this has been a tremendous first set so far. Neither woman giving anything to the other one. We're heading into a tiebreak.
Break it is.
I
Volley
have
serve
you.
Świątek, Iala nets. So after 68
sure?
minutes, Gigi, we're about to prepare for a first set tie-break.
And we will be back for the tiebreak. A reminder.
Their boss, 2 wins from 17. He's got a lot of work to do, it's fair to say. Next up in this one, the Magic Weekend, only little. His big match at Queen's as well, in which he's
Nandyan yung KFC hinahanap namin. How are you gonna get there? Nandyan na yung hinahanap namin. Real? We are in a retail park. Oh, there's a range. Might be Sports Direct. Range. I can't see Sports Direct.
Busy.
Garden, B&M, Morrison's. There's still Sports Direct.
Yes, it's good timing, Jonathan, because after
Where are you going to
72 minutes
park?
on centre court, this first set tie-break has moved Alexandra Iala's way. The 29th seed from the
There's a big space here.
Yeah.
number 32.
Oh my god, there's a seagull on top.
And Pam
So dito
Shriver
kami,
are in the
paparking
centre
kasi
court
gagamit
for
kami
the
ng
match.
toilet ng Morrison.
Absorbing hour and a quarter.
Dito na kami!
Swinging first.
Hello! Nandito kami, naglalakad. Bumili si David ng donut at saka ano sa Morrison. Tapos dadaan kami sa KFC mamaya pabalik. Hindi namin kasama si Pepper at si Peanut. Kasi saglit lang naman kami. Tapos, hinahanap namin yung statue. Is it that one? Ewan ko anong statue yun. Kasi hindi ko alam. Basta hinahanap ni David. Nagtanong siya sa mga lokal na ano dito. So, yan ang palibot. Yan. Sobrang hangin. Sobrang hangin. Yan. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung nahanap na yung statue na yan. Guys, gumamit tayo ng Google Map. Hindi namin mahanap. Kawawa naman yung mga aso iniwan namin. Kaya so nandoon. I think nandoon. Doon banda. Okay, so let's go. Dadala ni David yung kanyang donut. Ano kami, nagpa-picture kami doon. Ayun oh, sa taas. Yan ang statue na hanap namin. Tapos ito yung palibo. Yan. Hi! Nandito na tayo sa sasakyan. Nakabalik na kami after all that walking without the dogs. So, napunta ako sa Morrison, may binili lang ako. It's a ladies thing. And then, babalik na kami doon sa car park na yung next na, hindi yung lumang, yung car park kagabi, pero yung pinuntahan namin kanina. Doon kami matutulog. Then bukas uwi kami ng maaga dahil sa hapon may pupuntahan na naman. Sige. Kalakat sabang may time. Okay? So, see you doon sa Krag. It's a Krag? Krag car park. It's not the name of the car park is not Krag. It's a Krag. Krag car park. So, doon. Okay.
It's called Craig Road.
Krag Road. So kita-kita tayo doon ulit. Bumili na kami ng ng kakainin namin mamaya. Kakain kan pagdating doon KFC. KFC para yung mga fur babies ay may makakain din sila ng chicken. Okay, see you there. Bye for now. Hello Ole, nandito na tayo sa loob ng camper van. Nandito na yung chicken. Dalawa na. Yung hapunan natin. Meron dito chips. Sa alat, yan. Yun lang ang kakainin namin. Tapos may donut. Donut galing sa Morrison. At saka chicken galing sa
Which it is
KFC. Kain na tayo.
Oh, that's a leg.
So yan, kakain muna tayo. KFC. Yan, kakain na po tayo. Umuulan sa labas. May dumating na maglalakad yata. Daming pa-parking dito. Dito kami matutulog ngayong gabi. We're in a wild camping. Electricity. Free parking kasi siya dito. Are you sure this is a